Hello, my name is James Russell from the TVIA volunteering organization, and today I'm going to be showing you guys a cool game you can play with your friends. So first, you're going to want to cut out a circle out of a piece of paper. So find something circular and trace it out like I did. And you're going to want to make a circle, and once you have that, you're going to draw 2 lines and make 4 boxes. And now that you have that, you're going to write something in each of these boxes. For example, these are mine. So I have your favorite color is here, your favorite movie in the other box, then favorite sport and favorite soda. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take something that can spin, like a pencil, and you'll place it on here like this, and you'll spin it, and the tip of the pencil, wherever that lands, if it lands like this on favorite movie, then whoever spun it will answer that question. So if I spin it and I get favorite sport, I'm going to answer what my favorite sport is. Now, you can do this with a couple of your friends and each take turns spinning and learn something about each other. Thank you.